Hello students, how are you? I hope you are good and safe at home. I am history teacher from Rajiv Gandhi English Primary and High School. So student, today we are going to learn new lesson. Baji Prabhu and the memorable battle of Gorkhin. Okay? So student, in my previous video, we had learned three main points, which Shivaji conquers Panhala, Adil Shah gets angry. Second, the siege of Panhala and Shivaji escaped from the siege. These three main points we had learned in my previous video. So in this video we continue the two main points. Okay. First, Baji Prabhu the brave and Baji's defense of the Gorkhin Pass. Okay. Now open your book, page number 38. The main point is in this video, Baji Prabhu the brave. So the angry troops of Siddhi were fast galloping towards the Gorkhin Pass. Shivaji saw that it was impossible to reach Vishalgarh before the enemies overtook them. He said to Baji Prabhu, Baji, this is a very critical situation. The road ahead is steep and the enemy is right on our hills. It is now impossible to reach Vishalgarh. So let us turn back and face the enemy. Okay? What happened when in my previous video we had learned that the Shivaji made two plans. First plan is what Kashid, a person, is totally dressed up like a Shivaji. He out in the Panhala fort. So Siddhi Johar captured the Shiva Kashid. When the Siddhi Johar noticed that he was not a Shivaji, so Shivaji he was not a Shivaji. The Siddhi Johar was totally angry, and he was totally angry, and they towards the Gorkhin Pass, and they sent the very huge army to the Gorkhin fort. Okay, and the Shivaji saw that it is very impossible to reach the Vishalgarh. What happened? Shivaji was left to the Gorkhin in a Panhala fort. Okay, when the Shivaji sent to the Shiva Kashid out of the Panhala fort, so Shivaji left to the Panhala fort to the Vishalgarh fort. So when the Siddhi Johar saw, he was totally angry, and he sent the very huge army to the Shivaji. Okay. So Shivaji told that Baji Prabhu, it is very impossible. Was impossible to reach Vishalgarh fort, and the enemies overtook them, and said to the Baji Prabhu, and this is a very critical situation. All the huge army are come back to the Shivaji, and the road ahead is steep and enemy right on a hills. So Shivaji told that Baji Prabhu, let us turn back and face the enemy. Okay, Shivaji what told the Baji Prabhu, we also let us come back and face the enemy. Baji Prabhu understood the great agitation going on in Shivaji mind. What? Baji Prabhu was totally understood what are the situations are going on and what are the problems are in Shivaji mind. So the enemy was fast approaching the pass. The life of Shivaji and therefore Swaraj was in danger. What? All the enemies come to very fast close to the Shivaji, and the Swaraj will be very in a danger situation. So he said, Maharaj, you must proceed to Vishalgarh. Take a handful of soldier with you. What Baji Prabhu said to the Shivaji, Maharaj, you also go to the Vishalgarh, okay, and take the handful soldier with you, and I shall defend this pass and will not let the enemy cross it. Okay, what Baji Prabhu said, I shall defend these enemies and will not let the enemies cross it. Okay, I shall lay down my life in defense on this pass if need be. What Baji Prabhu said to the Shivaji, my life in defense in this pass, in these enemies, my life is defense if are needed. If I die, there will be many other Baji to come my place. Okay, what the says Baji Prabhu, when we are die, there will be many Baji Prabhus, yani many Bajis took a place. Okay, but no one can replace you. What he say? No one can replace you. On our Swaraj need you. The enemies will attack in large numbers. We cannot hold out against them with our limited force. Please do not wait. Go ahead. We shall stop the enemy at the entrance to the pass. We shall not let him advance till we know that you have reached Vishalgarh safely. What Baji Prabhu say, when I defend to these enemies, and if I die, there will be many Baji to take my place, but no one can replace you. You are Swaraj need. Swaraj are totally need you, and the enemy will attack in a large number. We cannot hold at these enemies because we have very short soldier. Okay, so please do not wait. Go ahead and we shall stop the enemy at the entrance of the pass. Okay, then when the Baji said the Shivaji's eyes totally tears. Okay, Shivaji are totally stressed. He was most unwilling to sacrifice these germs of man for his personal safety. But he had no time to think about this. Okay, he wanted to achieve his idol of Swaraj. Shivaji is totally wanted to achieve his idol of Swaraj, so he left to the Vishalgarh. So, as soon as we gain the fort, guns will be fired. That will be the signal of a safe arrival. As soon as you hear the gunfire, storm the pass and follow us to the fort. What the Baji Prabhu said to the Shivaji, when you are reach the Vishalgarh, you fire the gun. Okay. So, the signals of our safe arrival for me. Okay, understood in this paragraph? Baji Prabhu the Brave. In this paragraph, what we have learned? In this paragraph, Baji Prabhu is a very totally brave man and very loving, caring for Shivaji. And he is totally support to the Shivaji. He was totally support to the Shivaji, and they totally defense to the many numbers of enemies of Siddhi Johar. Okay, and he sent to the Shivaji in Vishalgarh fort very safely, and he took the main role in that situation, and they handled all the defense of the soldiers of Siddhi Johar. Okay, understood? Now we come to the second main point, Baji's defense of the Gorkhen Pass. Baji defense of the Gorkhen Pass. So Shivaji left Vishalgarh, leaving Baji Prabhu to defend the pass. Baji made a low bow to the receding figure of Shivaji and then prepared himself for battle. He took a sword in his hand and stood at the entrance of the pass. He divided his company of soldiers into small group and post them at suitable points. Okay. When the Shivaji left to the Vishalgarh, Baji Prabhus defend the pass. Okay, they defense to the enemies and they figures of the Shivaji and prepared the himself of the battle. Okay, he took the sword in his hand and stood at the entrance of the pass. He divided his company, he divided his soldier in small two groups. He sent to the one groups for the entrance of the Vishalgarh and another group for with hers. Okay, the Malwas took their position and collect huge boulders and stones to be used a weapon. Okay, the Malwas crossed the pass, were now a strong barrier in the path of the enemy. By this time, the enemies had reached the mouth of the pass, and one could hear the wall freeze. Baji addressed his troop and said, "My brave soldier and commanders, be prepared. You may die fighting, but do not desert your post." What say Baji Prabhu, his soldier? What? "My brave soldier and my commanders, be prepared, totally prepared. You may be die in the fighting of enemies, but do not desert your post." Okay, this was to the said this word he said to his soldiers, his commanders. Okay, do not allow the enemies to confuse the pass. No matter what price has to be paid. No what the price has to be paid. You do not allow the enemies to cross the Vishalgarh entrance. Okay, he said to the soldier. So Baji Prabhu and his Malwa stood at the mouth of the pass, and the pass was difficult to cross, there being only a narrow and zigzag passage across it. At the other hand, Shivaji was speeding toward Vishalgarh. The fort was still some distance away, and it would take Shivaji at least 2 hours to reach it. Okay, the Vishalgarh fort, it is not for long. They are very short distance to the Gorkhan fort and Vishalgarh. They are distance of the between these both are fort very short. But the Shivaji was at least 2 hours to reach the Vishalgarh fort. So if Baji Prabhu could hold out, or those who horse, Shivaji would be safe. When the Shivaji reached the Vishalgarh between 2 hours, in 2 hours, Baji Prabhu's totally defense to the enemies. They totally stand 2 hours for the enemies. Okay, so the Baji Prabhu is a very brave and very loving and very disciplined person. So student understood the Baji Prabhu's defense on the Gorkhin Pass, how to be the defense to the Gorkhin Pass. Okay, so student, stay healthy, take care, and after the main points, there are how 3 main points are there. We will continue in my next video. So stay healthy, take care, bye.